Ladies, when you're traveling, it's hard not to bring everything, but you can be prepared without overpacking. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are the best tips and essentials to travel light. I love this case, it's incredible. It's for jewelry, but it's my go-to travel bag. You can put makeup, moisturizers, or jewelry items in their own compartments. It hangs up and it zips so items won't spill out. Just make sure all items meet TSA standards and you're set. And there's nothing worse than when you're in flight with nowhere to charge your devices, so a portable battery pack is a must. Charge this before you travel and throw it in your bag. You can buy one of these online, and trust me, they're worth it. Avoid packing large bottles of your favorite items. Bring small sample sizes instead. You can get these from most beauty stores like Sephora. Never travel without food. Airport food can be pricey, high in calories, and you may hate every option. So pack a protein bar or almonds so you don't get hangry. Pack up toiletries a few nights before your trip and only use your packed bag. This will let you know which of your items you're actually using and what you can leave out. So think outside the box and plan ahead. Know what you need and leave the rest behind. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.